government officials here present, members of the Board of Trustees, our well-wishers, faculty, staff, student body, ladies and gentlemen. With the authority vested in me by the Board of Trustees, and you having gone through the curriculum prescribed by the Ministry of Education through the walls of the Vocational Training Institute, I hereby declare you prospective graduates in the area of secretarial science. Go and be good ambassadors to Liberia and the world at large. I thank you. Who can never be like you, Lord? Who can never take your place? No, not all. Oh my God, what a powerful God you are. No one can take your place. No one can take your place.
And so we have come to the end of this 8th graduation exercises of Vocational Training Institute has been taking place here in Monrovia.
Ganel, give me